Now student, we have to multiply 5-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay? So what we have to do here? First, you have to write 5-digit number like this: 26,854 multiply by 2-digit number is there. So you have to start that number from right side to left side. You have to write from right side to left side. This is the 4 and then 8 like this. Understand everyone? Now here you have to first multiply by 4 to all these numbers one by one. You have to place carry upper side of this line. Fine. Now start to multiply with 4 from the ones place, then tens place, then 100 place, then 1000 and 10,000 place digit one by one. So start multiplying 4 by ones place. So you have to first multiply 4 fours are 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. So first write here 16 6 and give 1 for carry. Okay? Now 4 5s are 20. 20 plus add this carry 21. So write unit place digit, that is 1, and place 2 as carry on 100th place. Now 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2 34. So write down 4 here, that is unit place digit, and 3 carry on the place of 1000. 4 6 are 24 plus 3 27. So unit place digit you have to write downside below the exact below the this 1000 place digit, and now carry, that is 2, you have to forward this carry to the next place digit. Now multiply by 4 to the 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 will be 10. So here no next place is there. You can place this carry here and write as it is here, or you can simply write that carry here also. So always remember that while writing this product, you have to write just below every place digit only. Don't miss the place, otherwise next operation will be wrong. Understand? Okay. Now here students, you have to first, as you completed the first multiplication by first digit, that is 4, now multiply all these digits one by one by the next number, that is 8. Okay, before to start this number, you have to place either 0 or wrong mark here. Why? Because we already completed multiplication by 4. That's why we have to keep 0 here and then start by 8. Now same way you have to perform multiplication by 8. Now 8 fours are, very good, 8 fours are 32. You have to place the 3, which is the carry, over the tens digit. Now don't follow this carry. It is already completed. Its work is completed. Now 8 5s are 40. So 40 plus 3, 43. Write 3 here. Place carry above the 100 place. 43. So 4 will be carry. Now 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 4, 68. So 8 is here, 6 will be carry at 1000 place. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 6, that is 54. 48 plus 6, 54. So write down 4 here and 5 you have to forward as carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5, 21. So write 1 here and 2 you have to place this side. Understand everyone?
Yes.
So after completion of multiplication by both these digits, you have to place addition sign here. Now you have to perform simple addition of these numbers. 6 plus 0,
3,
2 plus 1,
3,
4 plus 3,
7,
7 plus 8,
15,
1 carry. So carry of this addition should be placed just above this product of first digit. Now 1 plus 4, 1 plus 0, 0. Sorry, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 4,
5,
5. 1 plus 1
2,
and 2.
2,
2 plus nothing, that you have to place, that is as it is. So you have a question 26,854 multiply by 84. Here you have to write answer equals to 22,25,000. Sorry, that is comma. Here also comma. 22,55,736. 22,55,736. Understand everyone?